So now we have our Raspberry Pi. The next thing to do is to download some software onto an SD card so that it will actually work. So in a way, this is quite a good teaching point, really, is that any computer needs an operating system, which is the software that we're going to download to make it work. So I'm just on the RasPi2.org official website, and I'm just going to go to downloads, and here they have got a list of different Linux based operating systems that we can use. In fact, well, actually there's RISC OS down the bottom here, and the one that I'm going to download to start off with is just the very first one here, the Raspbian Wheezy. So it's been downloaded, and the next thing to do really is in the instructions it recommends to check that the file has been downloaded properly, so there were no glitches in the download and there are no viruses in the file. So I've just clicked on the link here, which will take me to a download for a little utility basically that I need to be able to check whether the file is as expected. So let's just download the program and see what we have to do next. I need to start the command prompt. So I'm just going to type CMD into my search bar there, and then what I need to do is basically I need to run the exe file in the command prompt. So let's just move this over here so we can see. So I'm just going to pick this up and just drag it over into the command window, and that put the whole path of that file name there. I'm then going to just put a space and then drag across this file here. So what I've got on my command window is the whole path. Saves us having to type it all in. Actually, I've just typed in the whole path, put a space, and then drag the other file across, and if I press enter, this program will start running and calculate the checksum for the file that we've downloaded. And it's probably good practice to do this every time you download a new operating system to try out. And now I need to go back to my download page. There it is, with my checksum, and compare the checksum that the file is throwing out with the checksum given here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Actually, I might just paste them both into Notepad, because that will make the comparison quicker. So I've just copied the checksum from the website and pasted it into Notepad, and then I'm just going to get hold of the checksum from here, and to copy here, basically if you click on the little C at the top, choose edit and then mark, and then you actually have to highlight that bit. You can't do a Control C, you have to click back on edit, or well, you can press enter and then click copy. So once that's copied, I can go back into Notepad and do a Control V, and then just make sure that they look exactly the same.